How to download and install YNAB app on mobile. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type YNAB. You will see the official app listed at the top of the results by ynab.com. Next, tap on it to go to its details page and hit the install button to begin the process. The app will start downloading immediately, and depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, open the app from your home screen or app drawer. You will be prompted to either sign in if you already have a YNAB account or create a new account if this is your first time using it. After creating a new account or signing in, you are ready to start using the app to manage your finances effectively. You can immediately add account, set budget, and track your spending right from your mobile device. Now you know how to download and install YNAB app on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.